Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Vaishnavi, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a really quick and simple keto bread recipe. Now this just takes about 2 minutes and has only 2 grams of net carbs in it. And just so you guys know, I'm currently on my keto diet and I've been following this for almost a month and a half now. I'll be posting a separate video on what keto diet is and what to follow when you're on keto diet. Now without any further ado, let's get started. For making this recipe you need a microwave safe bowl. Now I'm using a white coffee mug. To this I'm adding half tablespoon of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, two tablespoons of almond flour. Now I use a brand called Red Mill and I got this from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description down below. It's available at Walmart and different supermarkets as well. I'm adding in 1 whole egg, quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, quarter teaspoon of oregano, and this is completely optional, and mix everything really well. Now I'm gonna pop it into the microwave for 90 seconds.
A few minutes later.
Now once it's done, I'm gonna take it out of the microwave and let it cool for a while. I've taken it out of the coffee mug now. You can see how spongy it is. I usually have it for breakfast as a sandwich by adding a slice of ham, lettuce and cheese. Give this video a thumbs up and do try this at home and let me know how it tastes in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye!